There's nothing like the excitement when you know you're going to be first due at a fire and can affect immediate change, and working with a group of highly motivated people. There's nothing like that in terms of the adrenaline, the commitment to service, and the commitment to the people that you work with every day. I'm Division Chief Dave Farnum, the A-Shift Commander. I have the great privilege to lead the 350 firefighters and officers and chief officers on A-Shift. And I think about the people that are going to come after me and serving in my role or leading this organization forward. I mean, that's the great responsibility I have now. You have to stay passionate about what you do, stay passionate about the commitment to the job, given the people that are running the calls and are going to be filling my job later on, give them the skills and ability, make sure that they're squared away to do the work well into the future. Just being called a good firefighter, that's recognition enough. And when you retire, that's really what everybody wants to be known as, is just a good firefighter, a good leader in the organization, and somebody that can be trusted to work with people who are operating at the highest level of this profession.